Huwag mo masyadong galingan. Don't do it too well. Mabibigyan ka ng mas maraming tasks. Huwag masyadong pabibo. Dadami trabaho natin. Has someone told you any of these things? You know, this reminds me of the parable of the talents. During the time of Christ, a talent is a monetary value. And the one that was given the least number of talents, ang naisip niya, itago ko na lang to. And so pagbalik ng master, he gave exactly what was given to him at the beginning. And he got corrected. He got reprimanded. Sabi pa, what little is given to you, I shall also take it away. Now, I think that if God has given you a lot of talent, that you can contribute a lot, dapat hindi mo pipigilan ang sarili mo. It's about being true to yourself. It's being able to produce something great with what God has given you. Okay? If you're given a project, bigay mo na lahat. And more importantly, you're not just doing it for your boss. You're doing it for God. You're honoring the gifts that He has given you. Kaya galingan mo, not to impress, but to serve. Make excellence your way of life. You know what? If you keep doing that, things will get better for you. It's true that to whom much is given, much is expected. Totoo din na dadami yung work mo. Pero I tell you, people see through your heart. If you are sincere with your task, if you're just holding it back. Kaya give it all you've got and inspire others to do the same.